Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast. It's where America goes for funding for the last 20 years, guys. And so today, one of the most important things that we're talking about is does the underwriter actually check your credit again at closing? A very, very important topic, because a lot of times people, they go and purchase a home and then they go and charge up credit or debt or have additional inquiries after they get pre-approved. And then you hear horror stories of people getting denied for financing at the last minute because the underwriter checked their credit again. So I wanted to educate you guys about this because it's a very, very important topic. And so whether you're doing a commercial loan or a residential loan, there are certain requirements for how long the credit report's good for. And at the end of a closing, the underwriter necessarily won't pull your credit again, but they will do something called the LQI credit refresh to check to see if you've taken on any new debts. So basically, when you go to get a home, let's just say you're trying to buy a home and you get pre-approved from your lender, they check your credit. They do a hard inquiry and they check your 3 credit scores, and then they'll give you a pre-approval letter. Okay, now that credit report is normally good for 90 days. So let's say you got approved on May 1st. Your pre-approval is good through August 1st. So they don't have to do another hard inquiry until after August 1st. Okay? Well, let's say you go under contract, on May 25th and your closing's for July 1st. So they shouldn't have to do another hard inquiry on you. Isn't that right? And then you think, well, I got to go get furniture for my house. I got to get a washer and dryer. I want to put a pool in the backyard. So you go and apply with all these places to get all this stuff added to your house, which is what people normally do. And then you get approved for all these things, and you buy the washer and dryer. That's $3,000 at Lowe's. You buy the furniture maybe at I don't know what furniture place you have, Bell Furniture or Restoration Hardware or Pottery Barn. That's $10,000. Well, you haven't closed on the loan yet, and so one of the things that lenders do is something called a credit refresh. And so what they're doing is they're not pulling your credit again with a hard inquiry, but what the underwriter is doing is checking to see if you've taken on any new debt. So the answer is yes, the underwriter does check your credit again before closing, and they use that credit refresh to see if you've taken on any new debt. So if you took on new debt with like Pottery Barn, Restoration Hardware, a pool loan, something at Home Depot, all that stuff's gonna hit your credit, and now you have all these extra payments that's gonna add into your debt ratio. So now you have to basically re-qualify for the loan. So the bottom line, the solution is don't take on any more debt until you actually close on that loan, because they will check your credit again. And if your debt ratio is too high, you're going to get denied for the loan or have to requalify or pay that stuff off. So just to avoid all those pitfalls and all those issues, do not do any inquiries or take on any debt until you actually close on the loan, because it's way too risky for you because your debt ratio may be borderline. It could affect you from getting approved for the loan. So I highly do not recommend doing any credit inquiries or taking on any new debt until after you close on your loan. Now, after you close, that's a different story. But while you're doing the loan processing, do not do that, because it's a huge red flag and a huge no-no. So remember, we're a direct nationwide commercial and residential lender. If we can help you with anything, you can call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. Or if you want to be proactive, in the YouTube description, you can actually click on the link to get signed up to get pre-approved. And also, give us a big thumbs up on the YouTube. If you know anyone, any friends, family, colleagues that's looking to get funding, please share this video with them. We'd love to help you guys to get the best funding out there in America. Remember, we're a direct nationwide lender. So please call or text our office. We're here for you to help you and serve you. So please reach out to us if you have any questions, and we're definitely looking forward to helping you. Remember, you can call or text our office at 832-431-6331. I really appreciate you guys watching the show and the channel. Thank you so much, and check out my next video, and thank you. Bye-bye.